Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Ultra and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will start with the customization. Let's enter the settings and here we have to find display and brightness. Then let's scroll down and enter reading mode, as this is the name of the eye comfort mode or night mode in this device. So let's tap on it and let's start with tapping on this first switcher to turn on the reading mode. So here we've got two different modes, like the cycle and the classic. The cycle is more or less automatic. It is based on the up types and the sunset and sunrises times, so it's totally up to you. You can also mark the classic one, where you can manually change the color. Basically the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So now we can tap on this arrow here and now we can customize the classic mode. So first of all, the color temperature, by going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. We can also change the texture. So right now we do not have any kind of a texture applied. However, by going to the right we can apply something like a paper-like texture to the background. I hope that you can see the difference. Of course, it's totally up to you whether you want to use it or not. So here we've got something like a sharpness or something like that. We can also change the colors. So we can display full colors, which is visible on this switcher. And we can also display light colors. So as you can see, the colors are a little bit washed out and dull. Or we can display everything in black and white manner. So it's totally up to you. Everything will be black and white. I'll set the full colors. Alright, so of course set it just like you want to. We can go back and here we can also schedule that feature. So let's tap on this switcher and either we can custom the period, so we can freely choose the start and the end time just by tapping on the specific option and changing the time just by swiping, confirm it with OK, or we can set good night read, so your device will switch to the reading mode after the sunset. So basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So this is the whole customization, manual customization, and if you want to, you can have much faster access to this option. Simply unroll the top bar so you can open those toggles, the panel. If you cannot see the eye comfort mode here, I mean the icon which is responsible for turning it on, simply tap on edit at the bottom and here we can find the reading mode icon. So let's tap on this plus icon and it will be immediately applied to this first section. So now we can freely tap on the reading mode and it is turned on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.